Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone! So today in this video, we're going to be talking about object orientation classes. So before we begin, I just want to let you guys know that this stuff is a little more advanced than what I usually do. So if you don't have any prior knowledge in Python, please check out my old Python tutorial videos so you guys can get an understanding before we start this. And before we begin, I'll also tell you guys a simple a simple definition of classes. And this won't be like too big, and I'll just be a short sentence. So what classes are is that they're basically a way for programmers to handle code that's similar to each other in one big bubble, you can say. So say that I have a class of a bank. Inside of a bank, there you can withdraw, transfer, deposit, make a new account. Okay, you can do many things. So instead of making a bunch of different functions and stuff for this, we can make multiple functions inside of a class. And that way, if we ever want to use this, we can just call the class and then the functions will be there. So that's an example, that's like an explanation to what classes are. So now let's start off with a simple example of a class. So to make a class, we have to type in CLASS, class, and we have to name the class. So let's name this class first class, and then parentheses, colon, and now we're in the class. I'll just make a simple owner equals Josh me. So this is our class. It's simple. Classes usually are like this, but for understanding purposes, we can use this. Now, to be able to call the class, we have to make an instance. So what is an instance, maybe wondering? Well, an instance is another word for user, but in this case that we're not making username stuff, it's just a way for us to be able to say that, okay, we're not managing the actual class, whereas using the functions and parameters and variables and stuff that's inside of it. So let's make it f equals first class, and don't forget these parentheses. So right now we won't have to use parentheses. That'll be for when you're doing inheritance, which I'm planning on making in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. So now we have an instance. So a way that we can use this is just print f.owner. Now let's just click run. And it prints my name. And let's just make it a little more explanatory. Owner equals, and if you run this, owner equals Josh. So this is an example of classes, a pretty simple one, but an example where you can understand what it is. So if you guys have PyCharm or editor, write this down, pause the video right now and write down this program for your reference. And if you don't have an editor, check out my first video, in that video I explained how to get PyCharm, and that will be able to help you out so you can start programming yourself. So I'm gonna end this video here. So if you like this video, please leave it a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And with that said, hope you have a nice day, and goodbye.